Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read about Class 4 Science Olympiad. And in Class 4 Science Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter that is Force, Work and Energy. We have already discussed some questions of this chapter, right? And today we are going to discuss some more questions of this chapter. So are you all ready for it? Yes? So, coming to the first question, what are you exerting when you push or pull an object? So, here the question is given, what are you exerting when we push or pull an object? Options are A, force, B, matter, C, motion, D, mass. So, when we push an object or when we pull an object, so we are exerting that force on them, right? So here the correct answer is option A, that is force. Coming to the next question, which of the following statement is not true? Option A, friction makes a moving object slow down and stuck. Option B, friction between two surfaces will produce heat. Option C, friction enables an object to stay in a stationary position. Option D, friction decreases if roughness of an object increases. Okay, so here the question is asked, which of the following statement is not true? So friction makes a moving object slow down and stop. It is true. Okay. Friction between two surfaces will produce heat. It is also true. Friction enables an object to stay in a stationary position. It is true. Friction decreases if roughness of an object increases. That is incorrect, because if the roughness of an object increases, then the friction will also increase. Okay. So here the correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question, which of the following energy can be replenished? Option A, solar energy, B, wind energy, C, water energy, D, all of these. So in the question it is asked, which of the following energy can be replenished? So what do you think? Solar energy can be replenished? Yes. What about wind energy? Yes. Water energy? That is also correct. So here the correct answer is option D. All of these. All of this energy can be replaced. Right? Coming to the next question. In which of the following activities is force used for pulling? Option A, blowing air into balloons. B, cycling. C, stretching a rubber band. D, all of the above. So for which of the following activities force is used for pulling? So when we blow air into balloon, are we pulling it? No, right? For cycling, are we pulling? No. For stretching a rubber band, yes, we are pulling it, right? All of the above, no, it's not. So the correct answer is option C, that is stretching a rubber band. Coming to the next question, which of the following energy conversion occurs during photosynthesis? Option A, heat energy to light energy. B, light energy to heat energy. C, light energy to chemical energy. D, mechanical energy to chemical energy. So in the question it is asked, which of the following conversion occurs during the photosynthesis. You know what is photosynthesis? Yes, it is the process in which plants prepare their own food, right? And they prepare the food. What they use? They use the energy from the sunlight. So here light energy is used. Okay, plants, they use the light energy, and what they do, they prepare the food, and we know food contains the chemical energy, right? So here light energy, it is converted into the chemical energy. So correct answer is option C. Got it? Coming to the next question, the energy used for cycling comes from option A, the chemical energy of food, B, the heat energy of our food, C, sound energy, D, light energy. So energy used for cycling. From where we get energy from the cycling? Yes, for that we our body need energy. And how our body is getting energy? From the food. And we know that food contains the chemical energy, right? So here the correct answer is option A, the chemical energy of food. Okay, coming to the next question, X enables work to be done. There are many forms of X. What is X? So option A, energy, B, the sun, C, heat, D, sound. So it is given X enables work to be done. And there are many forms of X. So what enables work to be done? That is energy, right? So different forms of energy are also there. When we know different forms of energy like chemical energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, light energy, sound energy, many energies are there, right? Yes. So the correct answer is option A, that is energy. Coming to the next question, the box below does not move because option A, both forces A and B are acting in opposite direction. B, both forces A and B are acting in same direction. Option C, there is no frictional force between the box and the ground. Option D, none of these. So, you can see a box over here, right? And the forces are A and B. They are acting opposite to each other, right? Yes. So, if the magnitude of the force, that is the value, numerical value of the force, A and B, if they are equal, okay, if the magnitude, that is the value of the numerical value or magnitude of the force is equal, then and they are acting in opposite direction, then the box will not move. Okay, so here the correct answer is option A, that is both forces A and B are acting in opposite direction, right? Coming to the next question, work is said to be done when dash produces displacement of a body. Option A, force, B, energy, C, distance, D, speed. So work is said to be done. Work is said to be done when dash produces displacement of a body. So force, energy, distance, speed. What produces displacement of a body? Yes, it is the force, right? So correct answer is option A, that is the force. Coming to the next question, when a pinwheel is placed against wind, it begins to spin. This proves that option A, moving air has energy. Option B, pinwheel has life. C, pin has energy. D, moving air has no energy. So, when a pinwheel is placed against the wind, it begins to spin, right? So, why it is spinning? Some energy is there which is means for which it started begin to spin, right? So what is that energy? From where that energy is coming? That is coming from the moving air. So we can say that moving air has energy, right? Yes. Coming to the next question, what form of energy can be obtained from the sun? 1. Light, 2. Heat, 3. Sound. From the sun, what energy we can obtain? Can you say? All of you must be knowing the answer, right? We are getting light, we are getting heat. Yes. So, light and heat, that is only 1 and 2. Yes. Coming to the next question. In which of the following cases chemical energy is converted into heat and light energy? Option A, growing of an electric torch. B, photosynthesis in plants. C, generation of electricity in windmills. D, burning of wood. So, in which of the following case chemical energy is converted into heat and light energy? So here what will be the correct answer? See, in case of burning of wood, what happens? That wood also contains chemical energy. Okay, and when we burn it, then heat is produced, then light is produced, right? So here the correct answer is option D. That in case of burning wood, the chemical energy that is converted to heat and light energy, right? Yes. Coming to the Yes, coming to the next question. Which energy is presented in the object given below? Wood, LPG, mango. So, option A, muscular energy. B, solar energy. C, chemical energy. D, heat energy. So, this wood, LPG. You know LPG, that is the gas we are using in our kitchen, right? It is packed in the cylinder. And the mango, that is the food. All of them contains the chemical energy. Okay. So here correct answer is option C, that is the chemical energy. Right? Coming to the next question, which of the following is not a source of energy? Option A, the sun. B, wind. C, water. D, gravity. So in the question it is asked which of the following is not a source of energy. Sun, is it a source of energy? Yes. Wind, is it a source of energy? Yes. Water, it is also a source of energy. Gravity, is it source of energy? No. Right? So gravity is not a source of energy. So correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question. Work is done when you option A, kick a football, B, hammer a nail, C, push a door, D, all of the above. So work is done when we kick a football. Yes, work is done. Hammer a nail. Yes. Push a door. Yes. So it is the correct answer. That is all the above. Right? Yes. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Okay? And till then, read mindfully. Meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.